7-day Australia itinerary day 1, arrival in Sydney. Arrive in Sydney and check into your hotel. Relax at Circular Quay with views of the Sydney Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Take an evening harbour cruise for stunning city lights. Day 2, Sydney, Icons and Bondi. Morning, Sydney Opera House tour plus climb the Harbour Bridge or pylon lookout for easier option. Afternoon, visit Bondi Beach and walk the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk. Evening, explore Darling Harbour restaurants. Day 3, Blue Mountains. Day trip, full day trip to Blue Mountains National Park. See Three Sisters Rock Formation, Scenic World Skyway and rainforest walks. Optional stop at Featherdale Wildlife Park to meet kangaroos and koalas. Day 4, fly to Cairns, Great Barrier Reef Gateway. Morning flight to Cairns. Relax in Cairns Esplanade Lagoon.
Evening, explore night markets for food and souvenirs. Day 5, Great Barrier Reef Adventure. Full day reef tour from Cairns, snorkeling or scuba diving. Glass bottom boat if you prefer a dry view. Optional upgrade, helicopter ride over the reef. Day 6, Melbourne City highlights. Morning flight to Melbourne, explore Federation Square, Flinders Street Station and Hosier Lane, street art.
Ride the historic City Circle tram. Evening, enjoy Melbourne's laneway cafes and bars. Day 7, Great Ocean Road, full day trip to Great Ocean Road, stop at 12 Apostles, Loch Ard Gorge and surf towns like Torquay. Return to Melbourne for your last night. Best time to visit, September, November, spring or March, May, autumn. Travel tip, consider a multi-city flight pass, Sydney, Cairns, Melbourne to save time. Like, share and subscribe to Shab's Travel Guide for more amazing videos.